Intraoral scanners introduce arch-distortion in data they collect for dental prostheses. Our coordinate system extraction protocol provides a tool for evaluating intraoral scanners on the market. It is most important to transform from the arbitrary coordinates of intraoral scan to the newly created coordinate system using the reverse engineering reference sphere.
A technique allows the analysis of distortion in the critical part of dental arch in the X, Y, and Z directions, which is an improvement over current methods using best fit alignment.
Demonstrating the procedure will be Jang-hyun Kim, a technician from my laboratory.
Work with a physical model to create the master specimen. For this protocol, prepare a mandibular complete arch model. First, remove the canines, the second premolars, and the second molars for the study. Take the model to a reference scanner to acquire the data necessary to generate the computer model. Next, upload the master specimen data to a computer-aided design program. Using reverse engineering software, design cylinders on top of the trimmed teeth, each with a radius of 2 mm and a height of 7 mm. Design the cylinder of the left second molar so that it is inclined 30 degrees medially, and the cylinder for the right second molar so it is inclined 30 degrees distally. To define the coordinate system, add 3 3.5 mm reference spheres posterior to the left second molar cylinder with one sphere on the buccal side. Use this design in a metal 3D printer to manufacture a cobalt chromium alloy phantom model to serve as a patient's dentition.